29th, we have 2 parts for your workout today. So starting off for part A, we have 5 rounds for quality. We have 5 pistols on each leg. We're gonna follow that up with, for those of you with a pull-up bar, we have 5 strict chin-ups. And for those of you without a pull-up bar, we'll perform 10 supinated bent rows, and then 10 single, double arch-ups. Let's talk about these movements for a moment. On the pistol, we're looking for a full range of motion here. If you need to modify this movement, we have our couple of classic options where we can do a modified height target. So we'll sit down to say a box or a stack of plates. The other route we can go is the pistol prep movements, where we take our back foot and gently set it down on the ground to ease off on the weight on our working leg. And then for those of you who have pretty good pistols, we're welcome to weight our pistol as well. For the supinated bent row, that means that our hands will be facing upright and we're going to pull whatever weighted items we have, keeping our hands in that direction. And then on the single, double arch-up, this movement is 3 movements that equals 1. So we're going to go opposite arm and opposite leg, then the other opposite arm and opposite leg, and then all 4 arms and legs together. All 3 of those repetitions equals 1, and we have 10. All right, and moving on for part B today, we have a workout brought to you by Comptrain. Today's workout is as follows. We have 16 rounds for max repetitions. We will perform 20 seconds of double dumbbell deadlifts, take a 10-second rest, and then 20 seconds of sit-ups, 10 seconds rest. So again, we're trying to accumulate as many repetitions as possible of both of those movements across 16 rounds. All right, you guys, best of luck on these workouts. We're excited to hear how you did. Make sure you post your comments to our notes.
Hey everyone, welcome back. Happy Friday. Going to take you through another warm-up. Today we're going to start things off with 50 lateral hops going side to side. Then we're going to hit 25 single leg hop, so 25 on each leg, and then 50 front to back hops. All right, after we get the blood flowing, we're going to do some stretching. We're going to start off with a couch stretch, trying to open up those hips, stretch out the quad. Then we're going to flip it over onto our backs, get a figure 4 stretch on each leg. From there, we're going to get on our hands and knees, get into a cat stretch, pushing our head through the shoulders. And our last stretch will be some scorpion twist, release some tension from that lower back. All right, from there, we're gonna do 3 rounds of a series of movement. Starting off in a plank position, we have 40 mountain climbers. From there, we have 10 deadlifts, then 10 power clean and jerks, and then 10 squats. So that series of movements 3 times. All right, you guys.